These prenatal arch and rounds are really good for effectively lengthening and then strengthening your pelvic floor and deep core. So let's go ahead and start. Arms down onto the mat. Let your sits bones be wide and open. Feel that gentle spreading through the pelvic floor. Knees are wide. Take a deep breath in. And on your exhale, lightly gather up through the pelvic floor. Begin to tilt forward. Still keep your hips back, so we don't want to take our hips too far forward. Press into your hands, round through the mid-back, and then lengthen through your spine to set the hips back, feeling that nice spreading and opening through the pelvic floor. Deep breath in, and then exhale, lightly gather up through the pelvic floor and low belly. Inhale to lengthen, sit the hips back, find length from tailbone to top of head. Inhale, spread lightly through the pelvic floor, lightly zip up, curl the pelvis, hug your baby with your belly, and come forward, and then press back, feeling that nice opening at the base of the pelvis. One more time, deep breath in, and exhale, lightly zip up, hug baby with belly, round through the back, and shift the weight back, lengthen through your spine. Breathe in, and then exhale to round to come all the way up. Those are your gentle arch and rounds for the prenatal population. For more, visit Knocked Up Fitness Prenatal Program.